welcome guys. So this is very short video, basically introduce the average number of matches. This question also is very typical in the probability theory, and this comes from 50 challenges problem in the probability. And the next video, we will investigate more difficult question related to this type of question. So basically, typist types letter and envelope to n different persons. So we have the letters are randomly put into the envelope. So you can see the first n peoples, then they have its own envelope, and the n letters will randomly put into this. Then on average, how many letters are put into their own envelopes? Okay, so to do this, so for example, let me solve a special small case when n equals to 2. We have 1, 2, and 2, 1. So 1, 2 is the correct. So 1, 2 is the exactly match, and the 2, 1 has non-match. So the number of matches is 2. This is 0. So the expectation is half times 2. Basically, it's 1. It's 1. Okay. So for n equals to 3, we have this. How about okay? How about I write this? Okay, so the number of matches is 3. 1 is already matched because 1 should be at a position 1. So 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is what? This is 0, and this is 1. Okay, so total equals 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 1. Okay, so from n equals to n equals to 3, then one might guess that the answer is, the average answer is 1. Okay, so actually this is correct. I can prove this by very easiest way. I can let xi just be this is no random variable, xi to be 1, such that I is i's letter put into i's person, i's person. This is 1, this is 0, else. So this is a random variable. So what we have is this xi, exponential xi, basically. So what is the probability that the i's letter is put into the i's person? The probability is 1 over n, because you have n letters. So for the first people need to sit in the so for the least letter need to put at exactly i's position is 1 over n times the 1, right? 1 is the xi, and there are 1 minus 1 over n times 0. So the answer is 1 over n. And the total, what we need to, the total expectation is just sum of this si. So basically we have n times 1 over n. The answer is n. Okay. So the answer is very easy, that if you have n people, then how many letters are put into their own envelopes? The answer is 1. The answer is 1. Okay, I think this is very easy, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next interesting videos.